10-year Treasury note futures opened this session basically around the flat line and quickly edged lower, yields press higher. It seems that global yields and equity markets weighed early on futures. We saw Australian yields up 6 basis points and France and Germany up 7, and equities around the globe all posting pretty decent gains. Also, MOF data came out. Japan continued to be net sellers of bonds, and the 6-week average is now 7.9 billion worth of sellers versus 5.3 billion the week prior. Also, news flow with regards to UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson and resignation and all the uncertainty with regards to growth, inflation. Will the Bank of England start being cautious on rate hikes, etc.? Also, investors and traders looking at the U.S. dollar, which hit 20-year highs against most crosses this past week. Get into the bulk of our session. Range-bound price action definitely on the downside. We did have a temporary rebound when the initial claims came out, unexpectedly hitting a 5.5-month high. 4-week average is now the highest it's been since January. Continuing claims as well rose more than expected. It's a strong but softening jobs report. Also, trade balance narrowed, yet not as much as expected. A marginally negative second quarter growth profile, at least to some traders and investors looking at it. Also had Fed speak today from voters Waller and Bullard. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Traders monitoring equity markets here in the U.S., which were higher, and also squaring positions for tomorrow's non-farm payroll report, where consensus is looking for about 268,000. Looking at options, I look at CME Group CVOL. August trading about the 90th percentile. At-the-money vols are largely unchanged today. Skew is actually down moderately as the up variance is down, or the put variance or down variance is actually unchanged. Option volume spread out, but seeing volume in August in the 118.5 strike, also the 119.5 call, and the 118 put. Lastly, CME Group E-Micro Mini yield-based futures, volume there strong today. Yesterday, volume was 6,171, open interest of 3,089.